Hey guys, let's say you buy a new microphone and you plug it in and you're putting it into OBS and it sounds like this. Hey, you're probably hearing me in one ear right now. Well, I'm going to show you how to fix it in under a minute. So stay tuned, watch the video to the entirety. Thank you so much. Hey guys, real quick, I'm GS Fear. I am a content creator on both Twitch and YouTube, and if you have any problems or any questions, then feel free to follow the link below to my Twitch channel so that you can follow me and ask me any questions you need to. So let's go ahead and get on into this. This is not going to take very long. So you're going to go into your OBS or your Streamlabs OBS, wherever you need to go. And what you're going to do is you're going to go to the advanced audio properties right here. And you're going to click this mono button. Now, when you unclick it, you're going to have the one-sided ear. And when you click it on, you're going to have both sides. So that's all you have to do, guys. It should fix your audio issues where you are having the microphone coming through either the left or the right ear. Just click that mono button and you should be good to go. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. And if not, let me know so I can fix it for you or help you fix it. Thanks again, guys, and I'll catch y'all next time. Peace.